To insert a different footer for each page in a Microsoft Word document, we first of all activate the formatting symbols in the paragraph section. Then we click at the very beginning of the second page, go to the Layout tab, click on Breaks, and insert a Next Page section break. This inserts a section break at the end of page 1, so page 1 is now the first section of the document and all the following pages are the second section. We can also see this by activating the header and footer area. The only thing left to do is to click into the footer area of section 2 and then in the Design tab of the header and footer tools, we deactivate the button which links the footer to the previous section. When we now insert some content into the footer of section 2, this content won't show up in the section 1 anymore. Note that we didn't unlink the headers yet, so if you also want to have a different header on each page, you will have to unlink that one as well. And of course, if you have more pages in your document, then you will have to repeat this process on every page. If you want to support the creation of these short and efficient videos, then you could do me a huge favor by hitting the like and the subscribe button. Thanks a lot, and I see you in the next one.